I'd now like to add some calculations to my report, and the most common one, of course, is page numbering. At the foot of each page, I'd like to see page numbering, so I'm going to click on the page footer. Now up here on the Report Design Tools Design tab, you have a button called Page Numbers, and if I click this button, I can actually ask for just page 1, or I can ask for page 1 of, and however many pages are in the report. So I'll choose this particular format. I do want it at the bottom of the page, and I can ask for it to be to the center, to the left, to the inside or outside if I'm double-siding. But I'll just go for the center. And when I click OK, the relevant information is put into a control in my page footer, and this calculates the page numbering. And now I can bring this section up a little bit so it's not so high. I'd also like to show the date, but I'd like to show the date in the top right of my report. So I'm going up to my Report Design Tools Design tab, and I'm going to click the Date and Time button. I'd like to include the date. I don't really need the time, so I might take that tick off, and I'll click OK. And there it is there, in the top right of my report header. You can add your own calculations, but in many ways Access does the calculations for you. And this is how I want my report to look. If I wanted to, I could change the font consistently to Arial, and I might do that. I might press Ctrl A, which selects all, and then I'll go to my Format tab in the ribbon, and I'll choose a consistent Arial font. Now I don't want it to affect my report title, so I'm just going to hold the Control and exclude by clicking the results report. And now I'll make everything size 10. And that gives me a consistent font and font size. If I want to preview my report, I'll go to the Home tab in my ribbon, I'll hit the drop down on View and choose Print Preview, and there's my report. I'll close Print Preview, and now I'll save the report by hitting the Save button on my Quick Access toolbar, and I'm going to call it RPT Student Results. And OK. If I then close this report, just by hitting the small Close button, oops, over there, whenever I need to see the student results, I simply double-click the report in my navigation pane, and there's my report. If I then needed to print the report, I would simply hit Print, File, Print, just in case you didn't know, and Print Preview. And that would allow me to print the document. But I'll close Print Preview, and I'll close the report.